In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with Expedia on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've downloaded and installed the Expedia app on your mobile device, but you're not quite sure how to create a new account. So what you first need to do is go ahead and click on Expedia. Then from here, it will say allow Expedia to send you notifications. Click on OK. Then after that, you'll come to this page here, your home page. So you need, from your home page, you need to navigate and click onto account on the bottom right hand corner of the page there. And now they make it a bit confusing because what it will say, it'll just say sign in. So basically if you click on sign in, that's going to create an account as well. So go ahead and click onto the sign in button here. Just give this a few moments to load. All right, so we're on this page now. So it says sign in or create an account. So we've got a few options. We can sign in and create an account with Google, or we can add in an email address, or we can log in with Facebook and create an account with Facebook. So choose which one you want to go with. I'm just going to click on sign in with Google. And now it's going to choose my Google account. So I'm going to click on Tutorial Wiz. And now that's going to create my account and sign me in at the same time. So there it is here. Hi Tutorial Wiz, that's my email address. So yeah, they've signed me in and created my account at the same time.